All right, guys, just a quick thing before we start today's video. Yesterday, sorry about that flipping out, venting about the excavator batteries. You're not going to hear it again. I just, on the site, and, I had to use the excavator. Couldn't because I don't have the parts, and I just had it. I had enough, I flipped out. So I re-edited that. I cut that out this morning. So if you didn't see it, you won't see it. So enjoy today's clip. All right, we got the black plastic going on, just squeegeeing the air out of it a little bit. We got 10 mil poly between the two sheets. All the sheets are running this way. Then now our sheets will run this way to overlap the joints, or to break the joints, I should say. So that's gonna go in like so. Nice and tight, and we'll continue on this way. That will be 2 layers of foam, and we'll be good to go. All right, back here on the foam. Not much of a video today. I did a lot of running around. Meek's been working by himself, getting this foam in. Everything's staggered. The poly, the plumbers came, got all the stub up right there. This one here, then he had to backfill everything. Miko did, and pieced all that back in. So we'll be done with this today. And I've been running around looking at jobs, meeting people, doing whatever. It's Friday, trying to close a bunch of stuff. And then I got the parts for the excavator came in, so I'm going to put that all together now, and that will make me a lot happier. So here's the 3 leads. This one connects them. This one goes up to the key, and then this one is the ground. This one's the ground. So we'll get all those in and hopefully be fired up. All right, guys, moment of truth. Batteries are all installed. Let's see. I love that sticker. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got something here. All right, monitor system okay, sounds good to me. All right, we're back in business. That makes me breathe a little better. So Miko's just finishing up that foam, and we might tackle some of this hill this morning. This afternoon. I have to see what time it is right now, but I'll catch back with you. All right, foam is all done. All right, so this is the hill that we got permission to knock out. We're gonna start that now. It's late afternoon, but if we could get some of it knocked out today, hopefully maybe tomorrow we'll get the rest of it knocked out. If the weather lets us, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll see. But he wants this taper here to keep this same grade throughout, so the same slope. Just cut this hill, which will be back in there to get that slope. So take 2-3 feet out of it, start here and just taper it up so it's walkable. Really still going to be a big hill, it's just here. Instead of that, we're trying to make it like that, cut that much out, if you can see that, but we'll see. It's basically cutting the center out. We'll get on it. All right, here we go, attacking this hill. I know there's some shale in this hill behind me on the back of the tracks. The knobs are sticking up, and before, when we hit it, when we dug this originally, we were hitting a little bit of shale too. It's starting to change, but figure if we get this pitch here all the way, we'll keep this grade. That's what he's looking for. Let's see how much we can knock out today, and like I said, tomorrow hopefully it's dry and we'll be able to get the rest of it knocked out. Get these machines off this site. We got another house to start next week, so well, it's a garage, but it's probably almost the size of this house, so nice sized garage. put a lift in it. At the end of the day, we got all the foam in. We got this hill, well, I'd say almost half, maybe a quarter of the way. I don't know, it's probably half. It gets thicker through there, so whatever. But that's what it is right there. Because, you know, otherwise we'd have to take the rest of that field off. He wanted this grade right here, and that's what we're continuing. And you can see there's, I mean, that's puffed up, but you know, it was, let's say like that. Now we got it like that. There's a good 2.5 3 foot chunk we took out of that center, and we got this thing pretty much bulletproof here. You got the bucket, can't get this compartment open, and we got the Busa. There, they can't open this because they got about 1 inch there, but that's the
battery protection plan.
The battery protection plan. I was lost of words. Miko just helped me out. So that's where we're at. Tomorrow morning is Saturday, and we plan to be here in the morning and knock the rest of this hill out for the next half of the process. All right, see you tomorrow.